Have you ever wished your computer could read your mind, especially when you are writing code? Imagine typing just a few characters and seeing the rest of the line, or even a whole block of code magically appear, ready for you to accept. Well, that is exactly what inline code autocompletion does, transforming the way developers write software by predicting and suggesting code in real time. Inline code autocompletion functions by leveraging sophisticated artificial intelligence models, specifically large language models, that are trained on vast amounts of publicly available code. These models learn patterns, syntax, and common programming practices from this extensive dataset. When you type in your integrated development environment, or IDE, the tool analyzes your current code context to anticipate what you intend to write next, offering suggestions directly within your editor. The core mechanism behind this predictive power is token prediction. A token can be a keyword, a variable name, an operator, or even a complete function name. The AI model continuously processes the code you have already written, including the file you are in, other open files, and sometimes even your project's entire code base. Based on this rich context, it then predicts the most probable next sequence of tokens that aligns with established coding patterns and the specific programming language you are using, like Python or JavaScript. Using inline autocompletion is remarkably straightforward for developers. As you type, suggestions appear subtly faded or highlighted next to your cursor. You can then typically press a key, like Tab or Enter, to accept the suggestion. If the suggestion is not quite right, you simply keep typing, and the AI will often refine its predictions or disappear. This interactive feedback loop makes the tool a seamless part of the coding experience, rather than an intrusive one. One of the coolest, insider, aspects of these systems is their ability to adapt to your personal coding style and project conventions over time. Advanced inline completion tools can learn from your frequent acceptance of certain patterns or preferred variable names, making their suggestions increasingly relevant and personalized. They do not just complete words, they often suggest entire snippets, function calls with parameters, or even documentation comments, significantly boosting productivity by reducing repetitive typing and minimizing errors. This personalization is what sets cutting-edge AI code assistants apart. Ultimately, inline code autocompletion acts as an intelligent coding partner, not just a simple dictionary lookup. It dramatically speeds up the coding process, reduces typos, and helps developers maintain consistent code quality by offering contextually relevant and smart suggestions. By understanding the inner workings of this technology, you can better harness its capabilities to write cleaner, more efficient code with greater ease and confidence.
If this helps you code smarter, like, subscribe, and build with us.